our YouTube channel English with Markandeya sir. We have been learning English for so many days through our YouTube channel. But today's video is very different because today is my first vlogging video. So many students come to me and ask me, sir, how to start speaking English in a public place. And it is very challenging for all of us because we know the English very well. We can speak too, but very different in a speaking place. Okay, so today's video is my first vlogging. The purpose of this video is to how to start speaking in a public. So if you like this video, please like my channel, share to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel too. Okay, so today we are going to visit one of the most beautiful and attractive place of Gujarat, and it is the Dolda village. So friends, let's start our journey. By the way, today we are going to visit the Dolda village. Do you know about the Dolda? It is truly said, all is well and wisely put. Dolda village is one of the most beautiful and attractive place for the nature lovers. Dolda village is known for its panoramic nurseries, plants and flowers. You can see here a lot of nurseries along the road. So if you want to beautify your house with colorful flowers, then you must visit the Dolda village. Most of the people of the village sell the different types of plants at a very low cost. You can buy here lots of flowers, plants like rose plants only in 5 or 10 rupees. So friends, without wasting our time, let's visit the village. So friends, we are at the mother farm and nursery. You can see here lots of varieties of plants and beautiful lotuses too. Here it is a type of bonsai. You can see here. It is a very huge bonsai. You can also see here a fish pond and lotus pond. A very beautiful and attractive flowers of lotuses. Here another one. Look here. Very beautiful plants. Small bonsai and so many. I don't know the name of the fishes, but so many fishes here. And they are, I think, guppy fishes. If you keep the fishes into your pond, then no any problem of mosquitoes too or any other worms. Look here, the beauty of the nature. It is very attractive, so attractive. Look at the leaves. The leaves are very soft. I think you are thinking that these trees are very big, but not so. They are not so big. They are very small. They are called the bonsai. They all are called the bonsai. This is very small bonsai. It looks like a big tree. Look at the leaves. Very beautiful and fruits. The name of the fruits are Mosambi. Into Gujarati we can say Mosambi, English orange, lime, right? It has so many fruits. I am from mother farm and nursery. We have bought 3 plants of Madhukamini. Its name is Sunam Chenu Exora. It's a Exora plant. We have bought so many. We have also bought this type of lotus. It costs only 200 rupees. And ficus. Ficus are very best for the bonsai. So we have bought so many ficus, and you can also see the some exoras plants too. Now we are in another nursery. So how beautiful it is. You can see here so many types of roses, banyan plant, bonsai, and I don't know so many names of the plants, but they look so beautiful. Do you know the price of this bonsai? It cost only 15,000. 10,000 to 15,000 rupees of this bonsai plant. Look the thickness of the plant. They are so small, but they look like a huge trees. Here are also the many types of the flowers and plants. We have seen the shying girls, shying men, but have you ever seen the shying plant? Yes, this plant's name is Lajamni. Now you can see the magic. Please touch it. Look here. It's silent, so its name is Lajamni. Into Gujarati, the name of this plant is Lajamni. Why it is called the Lajamni? Lajamni means shy, शर्माना, बहुत शर्माना, उसे हम कहते हैं लजामनी. Now it's a magical plant. You can here see the beauty of the god too. Here are some cactus, two tiny cactus. Now you can also see the variety of the flowers here. It has so many varieties. It costs only 250 rupees. If you want to buy some big bonsai plants, and if you want to purchase some costly plants, then you must visit this nursery. It has so many various types of plants you can see here. Now here are the plants. These plants are so costly, but they look so attractive. Bougainvillea plant. You can't find this type of flowers anywhere, but here are so many types of Bougainvillea plant. You can also see other plants here too. White Bougainvillea plant. And I don't know this plant's name, but it's so beautiful. I haven't any knowledge of the plants, but I love the plants. Here, a beautiful bonsai Bougainvillea plant. And whenever you visit, must visit this place. This is the plant of goddess Saraswati. I think so many children who also keep these plants leaves inside their book. So here so many various types of, that is the banana plants and other plants. And if you want to grow them in your company or at your office, outside your home, then this place is so great. Now you see here, this nursery is also famous for its indoor plants. It has so many various types of indoor plants. You can see here so many qualities, and if you hang inside your house, outside your house, then it will be very great for you. So lots of types of indoor plants. They all are indoor plants. These are the bonsai plants. How much does it cost? It costs only 3,000 rupees. But the roots are so thick and they look so beautiful. They all are called the bonsai plants. So friends, now I am inside the car and you can see here I don't know their name, but they look so beautiful. This plant is only 5 rupees. It cost only 5 rupees. Barmasi. I don't know its English name, but it cost 10 rupees only for us. Here, these yellow flowers, they also cost only 5 rupees. Then I know this name, but I have forgotten now. But it cost 10 rupees, and there are so many. So now there is no any place to sit for us. So we are going home because we are so much tired now. Friends, now we are returning to our home. So whenever you visit this village or nearby Dholda village, then spend full day here because it has so many numerous nurseries. And before concluding my video, I would like to say that the purpose of this video is only how to start speaking English in a public place. And friends, in this way everyone should start speaking. First of all, start speaking with yourself. It will build up your confidence. So friends, please like my videos, share to your friends and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.